I need to be like a little bit near, like right here. Oh, I need to be here. Hi guys, today I'm gonna try the henna freckles that I saw on Instagram by Ugly XE Girl. I'm gonna leave her link down below. That's where I got this idea from, which is actually really unique and amazing. I've been really obsessed with freckles for so long, and I've been also waiting for this to come, and here they are. I ordered 3 online and they just came in this morning, which is really amazing. I'm gonna be trying to do that and we'll see how it goes. My skin is breaking out for the first time in forever, like, I don't know. But anyways, we're here for the freckles. These are the henna that I ordered online. It's like the size of my hand. It's in brown. Do not buy black because it's gonna look really weird on your face. It's gonna look like moles, not freckles. I'm just gonna cut it at the very end. I don't know what to use this. Look, there's a green coming out of the comb. Oh yeah, it has that kind of like a stopper. Ooh. I can feel like a little tightness on the skin, but that's alright. I don't like putting too much on my nose. I have such a big nose. Just gonna wait for it to dry for 30 minutes and we're all done. Hi guys, so this is the final result and I'm really happy about it because I'm really satisfied. I love the way it looks. I just waited for an hour, so this is what they look like after an hour. Hi guys, so I just want to give you a quick update on my freckles, and this is what they look like after a day. It's amazing how it looks natural on your skin. If you want some freckles that doesn't come off, this is a very great idea. So thank you guys for watching and I hope you enjoy this video, and